In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a price list in Canva. First, log into your Canva account. Then go to the left sidebar and click this templates button. After that, go to the search bar and search for price list. From here, you can choose any templates that you want from these options. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this template. To start customizing, you just have to click it, then click this customize this template button. Once you are in the editor page, you can start by zoom in the price list. Now to change any text in this price list, you just have to double click the text box and change it to whatever you want. For example, I want to change this text to donut. The same thing can be done to the other text. Just double click the text box and start changing it. Once you've done with the text, now it's time to change the photo. To change the photo, you just have to select it, then choose the photo that you want from the Elements tab or from the Uploads tab. For this demonstration, I'm going to use photos from the Elements tab. To change the photo, you just have to select it, then drag and drop the photo that you want into this photo frame. Just drag and drop it like this, and it will change right away. Alternatively, you can also delete the photo that you want to change, then add the photo that you want into the design. Next, if you want to change the background color of this price list, you just have to click it, then go to the top toolbar and click this color icon. From here, go to the document color section and click on this color icon. Here you can use these color pickers to get the color that you want, or if you already have a specific color that you want, you can type in the hex code into this column and it will change right away. Lastly, to save this price list, just go to the top right and click this share button. Click download, choose the file type as PDF, and click this purple download button. So that's how to create a price list in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.